how to update all apps at once on iPhone. If you've downloaded multiple applications on your iPhone, let's say for example, and then you'd like to update all those applications at once, you can do this by simply opening up your respective app store. Then once you open your app store, make sure to log into your Apple ID like this, and you will see this option. Tap your Apple ID profile from the top right hand side. Then if you scroll down, you can see upcoming automatic updates. Now these are currently they are paused for some reason, so what you want to do is tap on update all. So when you tap on update all, any application that requires an update on your iPhone will be automatically updated to the latest version. And this way you can change your Apple ID on iPhone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.